Hi everybody and welcome back to our fourth video in the series where I'm trying to use Articulate Storyline as I would a game engine. So let's dive in immediately for me to show you what I built. If you remember in the previous video, what I said that I'm going to build here is actually something that I would call a scene manager. So now we have our little guy here, and what is added that if I go on the far left, I would go into the other room, a new slide in our storyline project. And the same thing, here everything works as previously, we have all the obstacles and everything that we had in the previous version. And if I go back to the first room, as you can see, I'm in a position where, in essence, I left this room. And the same thing, if I go to the room on the bottom, I would be going back to the first room in a position where I left. So that's all what I built for now. Let's go back to our plan. So now what we did, we have this navigation between the room as you would in the real game. So that one is done as well. And what I will focus next is adding probably these two elements, or maybe just the first one for the next update. What I want to emphasize is that adding interactive choices is actually one of the requests that we had from the community. The idea here would be the prototype for more advanced branching, but what I'm planning to do probably is this. The bottom room will be closed, so if I go here, it will not load. There will be a trigger that when I talk with this little guy, so we would have here probably a dialog box or somewhere. When I finish the discussion, this room will open, in essence. And now, if you think about any sort of logic, if I talk with this guy and I say something, we can have another branching. We can have a different room opening on the bottom. So, depending on how we want to build this little prototype, we could have different branching depending on different choices, meaning different rooms open or different characters are shown, and you might have different interactions with them. So that would be the plan for the next or the video after. Okay, and of course, if you have any additional ideas, requests that you would like for me to try out and to build, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.